Mr. Harmless here. Homework 2 from Unit 2. And this is problem number 6. In this problem, we know that lines L and M are parallel. So I'm going to put my little parallel symbols here. It says that in the directions, which is not visible from where we're at. Since the lines are parallel, I can know some things about these angles. So let's look at these two angles. Got this angle right here. I'm going to put two little arcs to represent this one. And I've got an angle over here. So these are the two angles that I have in the diagram where I have some type of measurement or equation associated with it. So if I'm thinking about these two angles, I'm thinking about what type are they? They're interior because they're between the two parallel lines. And they're not on different sides of the transversal, which makes them consecutive interior angles. And we know that if the lines are parallel, which they are, if the lines are parallel, consecutive interior angles are supplementary. And you should know what that word means. For you, what it means is this. I'm going to write these two angles here, 12x minus 8, and I'm going to write the other one, 104. It means that these two angles, they're not going to be equal to each other. In fact, they don't even look. This one's an obtuse, this one's an acute angle. What they are going to be is if I were to add them together, I would know that they would equal 180. That's what the word supplementary means. So now I can add these two angles together. They're going to equal 180. So let's go ahead and solve this here. I'm going to start by combining my like terms. And so 12x, 104, and the negative 8. Let's see if I can do that in my head. That's going to be 96. Okay. And then we're going to subtract 96 from both sides. Assuming I did my math right. That'll be embarrassing if I didn't. Let me use my calculator for this next part. So 180 minus 96, it should be 84, right? 180 minus 96, 84. So we're going to get 12x equals 84. I believe that comes out evenly. Divide by 12. But if you're not sure, feel free to use your calculator. 84 divided by 12. 84 is already in there, so I'm going to hit divided by 12 equals 7. So in this problem, x equals 7. So we used what we knew about our new geometry lesson about supplementary angles, consecutive interior. We set up an algebra equation and solved. Okay, so here's our geometry that we did, and here is our algebra 1, right, that we were working on. And so this is how the problems are usually broken up, and we're using algebra to find some answers. Hope this was helpful.